so much fun.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. Today I have...
Hey, what's up guys? It's Morgan and I'm back on her channel for the first time.
I'm back here for the first time.
She just pulled out like these two mysterious photos from that envelope.
I know, right?
I'm,
It's like
nervous.
a secret message. Okay, so I haven't told Morgan what we're doing yet. Basically, we're gonna be painting something. Oh my gosh, should we just do a flip? Okay, wait, hang on.
Wait, I'm really scared.
Wait.
Can I take a guess? I think it's gonna be like moose. Keep in mind it's April Fool's, so I'm like on my best behavior.
I'm like nervous on your behalf. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. So we're painting portraits of each other.
Notice how I cut my forehead out in that. Ooh, but my pimples are still in it. Yeah.
But like lashes look great. I know, I literally like lurked your Instagram so hard to find a good like face shot.
I don't have many.
Literally, I know. I had to like lurk so deep down.
So cute.
Oh my god, so
I can like see the reflection in your eyeballs. I'm gonna put that in my painting.
wow, I can't wait. And also I just want everyone to know that like I'm good at gluing stuff together, but I really have like no painting experience.
Oh, I'm not good at any of it, so you're 10 steps ahead.
But there's like no glue involved, so it's like I don't know how this is gonna go. Also, I specifically bought oil paint because I did the Bob Ross video and I bought the wrong paint.
Did you do acrylic paint?
Yeah.
I did that too, and everyone was so
and it dries so fast, you can't blend anything.
Yeah.
So
okay, I'm glad we both did the same
yeah.
mess up. So the challenge is that I have to make this good enough to be hung in your house.
yes.
She needs a self-portrait. I don't see many photos of you around here, so I'm gonna make you one. Actually, I'll hang it on my wall. I need a little LAUR DIY
yeah,
info
you
in
can
my
hang
daily.
mine, I'll hang yours.
I'm gonna put it on my front door for everyone else
wow,
to see.
I love that.
Yeah. People come up and be like, who is that? I'm like, LAUR DIY. Subscribe, like,
New
subscribe
merch
bell.
launched on Wednesday. Shop at laurDIY.com.
What do people say? Not the bell. They're like, smash that like button.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna write that on my door.
It's so aggressive to
in
that
short.
smash that like button.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's paint. I'm nervous.
I'm like literally looking at this picture of you for so long. Like I feel like I'm staring into your eyes.
Yeah, I'm ready to stare at your face. For
I'm
a
like
long time.
learning about you, just like
We're about to like be a different level of friends, I think.
yeah. Well, we're also like complete opposite color palette. Because
like
you have dark hair, dark eyes, and I'm like light.
I know you're like you got pink undertone. I'm like Asian yellow undertone. Also, I wish I'd like sketched this out, but we decided to just YOLO this.
We're freehanding.
We're freehanding.
I also feel like it's gonna be really hard to like get the right skin color and hair color.
I know. Okay,
Okay,
here we go.
let's just go for it.
YOLOing. It looks kind of gross coming out. Okay.
Is this what it looked like when Moose had his explosion?
Guys, Moose sharded last night on my pillow. TMI.
And it looked just like
and it
this.
looked just like that. I'm like trying to get your skin tone. I feel like
you're making a hot dog over there.
a little ketchup and mustard action. I feel like I'm Bob Rossing all over again, just with like without Bob Ross giving me instructions on what to do. This is not your skin color. Oh no.
Is that my skin color?
It was gonna be.
Maybe I had like a lot of white.
Maybe like a lot of white. I think I went too deep into that. I think like white person, white paint with like the tiniest blob of that.
You made the undertone.
I mean, right. Yeah, that was totally intentional. I'm really not nailing the skin color situation.
I think it's getting better.
I mean, we're getting
It looks
there.
like a creamsicle.
It does look like a creamsicle, but you don't look like a creamsicle, so this is not the...
Well, depending on what foundation I use, sometimes it's questionable.
Wait, actually, this is not bad.
You're getting there.
We're getting there. We'll get there eventually. 2020.
Okay, I'm gonna be a background moment. This is really therapeutic.
Right? Painting is so therapeutic. After Bob Ross, like I was really stressed, but it was also really fun. This is not really your skin color, but I'm just...
It works.
And contact. Oh god. Wow, this is so much easier than acrylic paint. Literally,
I'm over here like sweating. I'm like, yeah, it's so easy. I'm having so much fun. It actually is though. It's like blendable.
it's blendable. Oh, girl, you got a good chin.
Thank you. I've never gotten that compliment before.
It's a good chin. Wow, this is so blendy. I'm like tripping.
I know, it just like moves with you.
I know.
What a concept.
What a concept. Acrylic paint dries in 14 seconds.
I know, and then it's like stuck.
And then it's stuck there.
I'm feeling confident with my background.
Skin tone looking not bad.
No, that's actually
Just like an egg, just like a brown egg.
No, that's like actually perfect. That's like what you should have gone for, egg.
No, girl, look at this jaw.
I'm like a muscular egg.
I'm
a free range
brand, muscular, free range organic egg.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you look like such a good egg right now. Like you got some side shading going on.
I'm the more expensive egg at Trader Joe's.
This is like the bougie egg that
This
like
is the bougie egg.
the bougie
it's a
egg.
Whole Foods egg. What's that super expensive grocery store? Bristol Farms.
Oh, Bristol Farms! Oh my god!
Bristol Farms
You're
egg.
a Bristol Farms.
With Facetune. Without, I'm back at Trader Joe's.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm scared. I think I made this too hard for us.
I know, you really had a lot of faith, I'll say that.
Yeah.
So let me me like paint your face.
Oh no, but like I don't know. Okay.
I don't want to offend you. And
That's what I'm
you see
saying.
my painting and you're like, wow, that's what you think I look like.
Like I'm about to do a nose and I'm really nervous. Okay, just kidding. We're gonna work on the chin.
I'm sculpting your body.
Oh my god. I'm like an A cup, but I would love a B cup.
I'll give you a little plumping.
Oh my god, thanks. I feel like my chin shading could just easily turn into an accidental goatee.
I made like this part of your body and then the inside of your arm, but I made it the same line. So I'm like missing your arm.
It's fine, I don't need the arm.
I'm
It's
gonna
totally
figure
fine.
it out though. Suddenly you have 3 heads.
Suddenly I have 3 arms. Yeah, it's like the Photoshop fails. We got nose highlight.
Ooh yeah, highlight me. Suddenly we're like Beverly Hills plastic surgeons.
I don't know if that's where my painting is going.
Still on the egg.
Still on the egg. I kind of feel like I'm gonna just do the face and then you'll just be a floating egg.
I love that. That's so hot. I'm gonna download Tinder after this.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna use that as my picture.
Don't put it as your first photo. I feel
it's my first and only. You only get one.
Oh no.
So my faith in my future relationships is in your hands.
Oh my god, I don't know what to do. I like don't know how to make this look less like an egg.
No, it's perfect. You're on like a basic shape right now, so I feel like once you add in like the eyes and the nose. Wow, the nose is gonna be really hard.
I know, I'm so scared for the nose.
Oh, how do you even do that? Because it's all the same color. Oh wow, I just had like a mini panic.
That's what I'm saying, like I think I made this too hard for us. I think I put us in too deep here. Like normally I'm like, let's play with some Play-Doh. And then today I was like, let's paint each other.
No, you know what? Anything's possible if you're LAUR-DIY.
Yes, yeah.
Me, I'm a little worried.
I don't know about that. That's what I'm saying, it's like glue gun, it's like you just stick stuff together. This is different.
Oh, I love glue guns.
Love a glue gun. You can fix anything with a glue gun.
I used to love to like just put like hot glue on a paper and watch it dry. I just found it so satisfying.
90s kid hobbies.
Like I love
Before the age of
my
cell
childhood.
phones.
Things were simpler back then.
True.
Like when we were kids, you would be happy with a hot glue gun and some sticks.
Right, or like even just like letting white glue just like dry in your hands.
I love that.
Okay, that was the best.
And peel it off.
And peel it off.
Oh my god,
yeah.
that was the best. The best.
Oh my god, okay, I'm just like nervous to draw in like face things.
Yes.
Maybe I need something skinnier than this.
Yes, give me something skinnier than this.
I meant a paintbrush. Committing to eyeball. Now. Oh no! Okay. Your nose resembles a little bit like a mushroom right now, but I promise I'm gonna work on that.
Our daily dose of vegetables, it's fine.
Oh my god, I suddenly have so much respect for painters.
I know. Like the patience, the pristine lines.
This is not good.
Once you start putting in the makeup, it's gonna be...
How to not make friends with someone. Give them a mushroom nose.
I feel like painting would be a fun like first date.
Oh my god, well have you seen those like places that you can like drink wine and paint and they like bring snacks and stuff too?
Yeah, and they give you like a tutorial, right?
Yeah.
That's kind of fun.
I think that's so
Because
fun.
you can like talk to someone, but it's not stressful because you also have something to do. So if you're not talking,
Right,
it's not weird.
it's like fine and you don't have to like stare at them in the face too.
Wow, how did my hands get so...
Yeah, I know.
haven't
My
even
hands
used
are like,
black.
I see him, look at
I've
them.
literally only used Stan and Way. How did this happen?
I'm kind of just ignoring the fact that you have a massive hand on your face here.
I was gonna say I was gonna do your hand, but I got like intimidated, so I didn't do it yet. So I'm gonna move on to something
I know,
else.
I'm just like, will I come back to that? Who knows?
Yeah.
Literally, if I can get your face down and maybe a neck, we good. You know what it is that I think I have to commit to darker colors, but I'm too scared.
Yeah, because the lighter ones are so much less aggressive.
I just can't make a nose.
Well, I'm on your hair right now, and it's going so good. My hands are starting to shake because I'm like intimidated. You know when you see a painting, you're like, oh, that can't be too hard to accomplish, and then you actually start doing it, and you're like, this is insane.
Also, just like making you not look like a psycho person.
I look like I just took you to the worst extension shop in LA.
Honestly, me in high school though, been there.
Same. Like little clip-ins.
Yeah,
clip-ins or something.
Yeah.
It's so weird looking back of pictures of high school and you're like, wow, in this photo, I thought I was so hot.
I thought I had it together. Like this was my peak.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
you look back and it's not.
It's
good.
absolutely not. Okay, honestly, egg is getting a little dimension. Nose still looks like a full-out mushroom, but we'll get there.
Egg is getting contoured.
Honestly, she is. She really is.
Mine currently looks like Lord Farquaad. Farquaad?
It really does.
Congratulations, you just got a role in a movie, Lord Farquaad. He's iconic.
Lord Farquaad.
Moose can be the little donkey.
Oh my god. Oh my god, yeah, Moose would make a great donkey.
I'm Shrek. We're all here.
Matt, you want to be Fiona?
No, he's like the little gingerbread man.
Oh my god, yeah.
I'm really committing to.
Oh my god, I'm so stressed. I was like, it's Monday, we'll just do something chill, we'll just paint, it's gonna be fun, no worries. Just like both having panic attacks.
both attempting pupils. Which is honestly like the make or break it part, I think.
I think I broke it with the nose. My mushroom nose is just the break.
I haven't gotten there yet either.
You have great eyes. Having blue eyes is so cool.
I've always wanted brown eyes.
Like my brownie friends are always like, I got poop eyes.
I like poop eyes. I'm a fan.
I don't know how I feel about my poop eyes.
I think that your poop eyes are incredible.
Thanks.
You look fantastic in your photo.
Eyeliner on fleek.
Yeah. This is how my eyeliner looks in real life when I try to do it.
Literally same.
Eyelashes are not easy.
Nothing is easy about this. I underestimated this so hard. What was that scary doll? Was her name Cynthia? Rugrats, Cynthia. Like I feel like I kind of made you look like that. Your lashes are just so pretty and I'm just like really messing them up.
I mean, yeah, same. We're doing our best.
We're doing our best.
And sometimes your best just isn't enough.
Today it is. Today it really is.
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. That's the life lesson we can take from this video.
I angled your eyes to look really sad. Like I gave you resting sad face.
We all have those days.
We do. But this girl's day is every day.
Perfect, it looks just like me then.
On brand AF. Also, I just have like lashes coming out of your eyeball. Like a waterline? What is that? The egg has come a long way, to be honest. Like we've come so far. Will we get a nose at some point? I don't know, maybe.
Please look at my nose while she's like talking about how bad her nose is. Honestly, yours is really good.
I mean, I wouldn't go as far as saying really good, but she's okay.
This is my final reveal. I don't think I did.
Wait, actually the neck, like, yeah, the collarbone shading is like pretty good.
I did some arm shading too. Like, don't forget it. Like,
oh my god,
a lot of time
it's good. Oh my gosh.
Honestly, I think the arm's my best work. You little psycho eyes.
Same over here, too. It's like into your soul piercing.
This one, it looks like a doll. You're gonna have this in your house and it's gonna start blinking in the middle of the night.
Oh my god, stop! I hate that.
For my artistic capabilities, I'm pretty proud of this.
It honestly looks good.
It's very like abstract and weird. And it would be in like a middle school art gallery. That made a lot of a difference.
I don't know. It's just like a train wreck that I just can't stop like doing, you know what I mean?
Like you can't get past it?
I just like, it's just, I don't know what the answer is here. I think this is as good as it's gonna get.
I am making the same exact statement.
Yeah, I'm done. That's it.
I just like slammed it all down.
I'm done.
Well, we're done. And we're never doing this again. Next time we hang out, we're gonna swim.
We're gonna swim. Get food, something more.
We're gonna hang out with Muse.
Muse. Oh my god. So, thanks for your participation.
I hope I didn't ruin your confidence. Like, honestly, without the chin, like with the painting covering the chin, it looks a lot better.
Honestly, I look like just the Picasso version of myself. Okay, well we have Cynthia over here. Cynthia over here, Picasso, laurDIY.
The good news is though, if someone saw these paintings just on the street, they wouldn't be like, oh yeah, that's like Morgan and Lauren.
Because it doesn't look like
us. So
thank God. Blessing in disguise.
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you so much for Morgan for being on my channel.
Thank you for having me. I feel so special.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry that we're covered in paint. Literally, we're just covered in paint everywhere. But
worse things could have happened.
Worse things could have happened. Make sure to subscribe to her channel if you haven't already. Also, I just dropped new merch on Wednesday, so make sure to check that out. shop.laurDIY.com. There'll be linked in the down bar below, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for live instead of another Sunday. Wow.
I thought, is this the merch you just dropped?
This is the new merch, yes.
See, I was gonna ask her where she got it because I didn't realize it was her merch because I didn't read it. I was like, does that say House of DIY? I was like, is that your merch?
Heck yeah,
it's so cool. You should buy it. I'm gonna buy it.
No, I'll send it to you. Girl, I got you.
Thank you for having me. I had so much fun. Your house is incredible. I feel like I should pay you to let me come in.
Wow, so many nice things. You just like gave me so many compliments I don't even know how to like process. Like, I'm still
you cut it all out.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye. I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.